and welcome to another how-to video on Swift.ng Cloud ERP software. So in this video, we're going to show you how to sell to customers. In the video before this, we had already shown you how to sell to working customers without necessarily creating any customer's profile. But in this case, we're creating a customer's profile and then selling to that customer or selling to an existing customer in the platform. So let me show you the steps that you need to take to do that. I've highlighted them here. I advise you to watch the other videos that had to do with creating products, setting up the inventory module before you get into this. So we've already opened the website www.swift.ng, and the next step would be to log in and sell to customers. So I'll just click login right away. So we'll go to the CRM menu and click customers, and we can always search for any customer we've created. So I'm going to search for, I think I have a customer named Peter. Okay, and I'll sell to that customer. Now if you can see these two icons here, this is new sale date, and you can see new sale here. New sale date simply means I want to do a sale for a date apart from today. So that's when I use that option. The other option is new sale, which uses this date automatically. So I would assume this is what you will be using. So I just click new sale, and then remember I told you the options that we have, that you can actually search to get at the product. You can read if the product's barcode is in the software, you can actually read it, and you can also click the category in front of you. It shows you all the products under them, and I click add to cart. That's added this item to cart already. I can now scroll down and apply a percentage discount if I want to, or an amount if I want to. In this case, let me just apply, give him a discount of 1,000 naira. That means the total is now 44,000, and it's expected to pay 44,000 naira. I can enable notification if I want to send text message with this invoice to his phone, and then I can choose any of this option. Now I'm going to explain this option a little bit in greater details for you. Post and pay means you've supplied the item and the customer has paid. Post only means you've supplied the items and this item and the customer hasn't paid anything. And pay only means that the customer has paid but has not collected the item. Then save draft means you're just saving it and you probably process this invoice at a later date. I'm going to select post and pay for this very transaction, and then I'll click complete this order. Once I do that, it gives me a prompt to confirm. I'm going to confirm, and then an invoice is going to be generated for us. So we have an invoice that we can actually print out, but I'm not printing it out. I need to take a look at this, and you can also send this as a text, send this as an invoice, as an email to his inbox right away. So once you click that, it sends it to his inbox. But I don't think I put in the correct email, so I'm not going to try that right now. But you can see the invoice clearly shown here with all these details, the terms and conditions and the footer and all that, and this can be printed, and you can see the discount properly applied in this place. And then if I'm done with this invoice, I print it out, and then let me click the name of the company to get back to the Swift stage. Now if I search out this customer and I click his name, I'm going to see a summary of what has happened here. So I can see the invoice, it's supplied, and then item has already been paid for it, and both of them are green because they've been supplied and paid for. The color is red usually when it's not paid or when it's not supplied. And I can click this invoice to just see a summary of this transaction and possibly reprint this invoice again. So this is basically how to sell to a customer using Swift.ng ERP. Thank you.